Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. It is always nice to see a sea of green over on the good old coin market cap. Man, I will never forget the Korean the Korean won coin market cap scam. Oh my god. I'm like still pissed to this day about it cuz you know if they wouldn't have done that, oh my god, XRP would have taken over Bitcoin. I believe that's the real reason why they did that, because my god, the market cap of XRP in 2017 was getting mighty close to Bitcoin. Anyways, it is really cool to see the number one altcoin as of now up almost 11% on the day. So yeah, not exactly, like the crazy alt season, but you know what? Green is green. I'll take it. I will take it. So guys, I have not looked at the long-term charts of XRP for quite some time now, and I just actually pulled it up today. Typically when I look at XRP price action, where I just check for a few minutes, just actually not even like less than that, actually probably just like 10-15 seconds. I look at either the 4-hour or the daily chart just to get the general gist of where the trend's heading. But then today I click on monthly and I go, oh wow, I have not looked at this thing since I last streamed. Man, quite a lot has changed. So let's go ahead and get right into this and check this out. Yeah, so XRP to the US dollar, Bitstamp, monthly, log scale. Okay. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Look at this beauty right here. Now, that is what you would call a double bottom, and I believe on the shorter time frames, you might, I don't know for sure, you might actually be able to consider this a triple bottom on the lower time frame charts, because as you see, we do have this wick that comes down to exactly this level. We make our freaking attempt, in which, oh my god, right here, I honestly thought, I'm like, okay, this is the one, this is it, we're finally breaking out of the neck. No, that was not it. We absolutely got scammed. Bogdanov dumped it lower. We got, oh my god, freaking scam wicked. I actually bought down here, believe it or not. I bought a significant amount down here at 13 cents. Very proud of that purchase. And then after that scam wick, it's a little attempt up by the bulls, and then just same thing, rinse, repeat happens again, back down to support, and then it bounces again with this green power move. So essentially, at this level, which is, coincidentally, kind of at the exact same area of when XRP first entered the 20-cent range. This, massive throbbing green candle. I mean, this was where XRP first ever reached the 20-cent region, right? So it just so happens that this double bottom slash kind of sort of triple bottom, it's happening at the area where we previously consolidated at the 20-cent zone before making that gigantic moonshot to $3.03. So we're essentially back at the same exact place where we previously had that, I believe, what was this, like 7,000 something percent? Oh no, that was 1,000%, but then I think this may have been 7,000. I don't know. I know the total move. Oh my god, I looked at XRP down here and didn't buy like an idiot, but the total move here from bottom to top wick was like 36,000 freaking percent. This move alone just 1,000%. So we're back at that same level. We're double bottoming at essentially just previous support, and this is on the monthly chart. This is not some 15-minute, 1-hour micro time frame that's not reliable and just turns on a dime and goes the opposite direction of what you're really thinking. I mean, this is the monthly chart. Every candle you're seeing here represents a full month of trading time for XRP, and we still got 8 days left on this last monthly candle as we go ahead and head into August. Where's this monthly candle going to close? If it closes above here, which is kind of a previous high at 21 cents, I think we're kind of in the clear. If it really wants to close above this 24-cent resistance, I think we're really onto something with a, real power move from the buyers. And I mean, this is just like a dream right here if somehow this monthly candle could close above 30 cents, because, I mean, look at this freaking beautiful thing. I mean, this is bottom. Like, it is genuinely kind of just bottomed out. I mean, if we kind of use the rubber band man theory here, which if you watch Urban Forex to kind of learn technical analysis, it's a very simple way of looking at Fibonacci. So it's like, okay, all-time high. All right, big boom. All right, yeah, it's over. Time for the big boys to take some profit. Sellers come in very strong. Buyers come back, weak. Sellers take control again. Buyers come in, nice power move, but again, sellers manage to take control. We consolidate at this level. We attempt the bounce up to break that 58-cent resistance right there, and then what happens again? Sellers take control. So just in the general scheme of things, the sellers are the bigger boys in this situation, and the buyers are just small, right? But then keeps going, little buyers, okay, little sellers, buyers, little sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers. So now what's happened here is this like sharp selling momentum has quite literally just bottomed out, and it bottomed out perfectly at previous support. So, I mean, what the hell? We gotta have some sort of just boom, boom, somewhere in the future. I mean, like ignoring all fundamentals, which the fundamentals on XRP are just absolutely insane compared to any other digital currency out there. And you pair that with just the technical analysis of, okay, we have this 900-day plus bear market, like the last one, which sat at half a penny for 3 years, and now we're double bottoming, finding support. We get this amazing news that banks can now custody digital assets. It's like, this is really setting up to kind of, tell the market, hey, like, hey, piss off sellers, like the buyers, hey, we got some control down here. This is our zone. So if the monthly candle kind of closed where it was right now, I mean, I'm not going to be that excited, but I am a little optimistic on this monthly candle really gaining some ground further into the 20-cent region, so that you end up seeing, a big red candle, and then with market psychology, it's like, okay, what's the first thing everyone sees when they look at this chart is, oh yeah, the mega green power move. So God, you pair that with a little FOMO and you just keep breaking resistance. I mean, that's a recipe for breaking all-time high. God damn, this shit is exciting. Cannot wait for the day, guys. It's been brutal. I mean, I initially bought in back here, but it has truly been brutal holding through this whole time. But if this does what we think it will do, I mean, oh God, just imagine the level of cash. Imagine the level of cash if we replicate this same movement, but then just again. And oh man, God, that's gonna be insane. So monthly chart, fairly exciting. Weekly, relatively kind of the same thing, except you're actually seeing like a true double bottom with the two touch points, one from March 2020, one from July 2017. So we literally bounced off that again. I mean, we're literally just coming back down to previous market structure, and buyers are starting to get crafty. They're starting to step in. And it's just like, okay, this is starting to seem realistic to where this is time for pump. This is time for what we'd call like the V formation, where it's like, okay, now you have real potential for reversal here. So really looking forward to that. I want to show you guys the daily chart very briefly. And this is kind of what's giving me that optimism for the monthly candle close, which is, scam wicks. Okay. Power move by the buyers, pull back, establish higher low, get rejected by resistance, pull back about 20%, and then now they're moving back to the upside and just broke previous high, and then now we are looking to test the 21 cent by the end of the day. So as I'm making this video, the daily candle will close in 3 hours and 20 minutes, and yeah, it's just, I mean, I don't really have anything else much to say, except for it's just like, dude, it's market goes through its cycles. I mean, dude, you could have like the shittiest company on earth, but if the technicals line up and the price action traders get interested, it's like, dude, things can happen. Things can happen. So the most recent news of these banks custodying assets and being able to extend that beyond just holding cryptographic keys. Offering cryptocurrency services to customers, saying, hey, well, you know what? You could invest in cryptocurrency. You could actually use cryptocurrency for transfers. I mean, like, you may think as an XRP investor that if you bought in at 20 cents, like, you were late. But, I mean, we're really the OGs. Like, think of the grand scheme of things here. Think like 10 years out to the next decade. Like, we were the guys where we had to do this weird shit of buying some little USB stick, having to, finesse your way through setting it up and, going through all this crap and, making sure you don't use a sus exchange. But if you do use a sus exchange, you want to get over. I mean, it's like we have had to go through all of this shit just to have like proper secure storage. I mean, we are literally like the crypto OGs, and now it's just been brought to a whole nother level where it's grandma and grandpa can now hold their little Bitcoin with their bank. And I mean, it's become so easy and so accessible to people now with this PayPal news, with this banking news, with integrating on the I mean, it's lining up. I'm not saying we're mooning tomorrow, like a lot of people like to say for, good social media engagement, but it's eventually we're going to the upside. There's no doubt about it. Eventually, after this all plays out, market runs its course, decisions are made, news comes out. I mean, eventually, this has got to go to the upside because sellers losing strength, buyers starting to puff their chests at this level. Guys, cannot wait to see. I mean, I would love to go into a coma. I would love to go into a coma until 2021 and wake up and see where this monthly chart is at. Because, man, oh, God, the profit, guys, I mean, like, if you're watching this video, I know you got a fat bag of XRP. I mean, the profits up here, it's insane. It's insane. So, guys, that's what I have for you today. Just a little long-term, simple technical analysis. Thank you guys for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you want to support the channel. And, guys, I'll see you in the next one.